Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for another shave review video. We are going to be looking at the brand new lavender and menthol shave soap from Razor Emporium, and I'm going to be doing my first ever single edge Gem Micromatic Shave. I'm scared. Let's get started. All right, let's take it from right there. I just lathered up with the brand new, kind of a reformulation actually, of Razor Emporium's Lavender. Years ago in 2017 when we first launched our line of small batch in-house made soaps, we did have a lavender. We have recently updated it, and the label is also now updated to signify this update, and we are adding menthol, just a hint of menthol, and some rosemary to really kind of balance out the lavender scent. I'm experiencing it on my face for the first time. Yes, that's true. It really is, and I really like it. It's nice. Sometimes lavender alone can be such a powerful smell. This is nice, and it's just a tiny bit of some other kind of notes there. Like I said, the menthol and the rosemary to kind of balance it out. I like it. And typically that's not my style to do two variables, as you guys know, but I kind of figured the base of our soap is the same, so it's not really a whole new variable, but I really wanted to make the focus on our Gem Micromatic. So we showed this razor in another video where we were showing how to load a single edge razor, and I thought, you know, I don't think I've ever done a single edge shave on camera. I think I may have done one or two at home at some point in my almost 20-year-long shaving career as a wet shaver. So I brought this guy. It's the open comb variation. This is pretty cool because it's in the World War kind of II, post-World War II era. I call it the Art Deco style, you know, 30s, 40s style case. I really like it. I did bring with me two different blades because on the market there really are two major blades, and I wanted to grab one of each. I brought the Gem and I brought the POW. I'm going to start with the Gem, and we're going to load this guy up and just start shaving, guys. Well, I won't lie, I'm a little apprehensive about what a single edge shave is going to feel like, but I like to have my videos be really authentic and first time experience and kind of that new novel experience with you guys on camera, so it's not like I've done it 20 times and I'm just kind of regurgitating it. I like you guys discovering with me in real time. So here we go. I've loaded up a Gem blade. I'm going to try to hold this like a straight razor or a single edge like an injector, pretty flat against my face. And just adjusting my mirror. Wow. I've been selling these. Oh, I think I just got a cut. We'll see. That could have been a cut. It felt like a cut. I am very timid. I am going very slow. Yep. There it is. I knew it. You're already seeing it, guys. It has been a long time since I cut myself on camera. I think I got a little sloppy with the angle. And I think it was just the corner. If you look at it, it's like a straight line. I think it's just the corner. Did I load this properly? Well, that's my own damn fault. I did not have the blade loaded behind the little protective teeth here. There's these little protective corners, and I mentioned that in the camera. Damn it, Matt! Damn it! Okay, now it feels a little different. Yeah, much more comfortable now. I'm wearing this red badge of courage, guys, to show you that even a wet shaving pro like me can make a dumb mistake. Yeah, that is much more comfortable now. Wonder how it's gonna. I'm gonna try to go through a ton of my the bottom of my goatee to kind of shape it up a little bit. See how this thing does mowing down this. Wow. It didn't give any cares about going through all that hair. Now remember, these blades are not your standard Home Depot, you know, box cutter blades. They may look like it, but these are actually ones designed for shaving, so they have been sharpened to a higher degree. I'm just gonna let that blood just sit on my cheek to remind you. No, we'll just kind of, I don't know if I have any, I may have something. I made a dig in my little bag over here, see what I got for wound care. Let's go over the other side over here. Finding just holding it real flat on my face is the best approach. Maybe an ever slight angle. It definitely reminds me of injector more than a double edge. Now this is supposed to be the open comb. It should do good with some longer hair, which I certainly have. I have let's see, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Actually, yeah, 3.5 days of growth. Going nice and slow. No more cuts. I will say that it's actually getting jammed up a little bit more than I was thinking it would. And I'm trying to like open it to clear out hair, and it's just a little finicky. Take the blade out and clear all this hair out. Gonna make sure we load the blade again properly. It's seated. Okay, so those corners, those are a high level of detail to pay attention to. My grandfather actually had a razor just like this. That's why I grabbed this one. It was an open comb Micromatic, just like this. It is a different sensation. I would describe it somewhere between an injector and a double edge. I think with a little bit of practice and a little bit more times using it, I would be really digging it. I'm just kind of experimenting with angle. I'm just going over this cheek again, just kind of really, really super light. Just kind of feeling if I lifted the face off of my neck, or off the cheek a little bit, how would it do? Okay. Well, let's rinse off. Ah, lovely. Yeah, the moment I can distinctly think back to cuts that I've had as a wet shaver, and they haven't been very, very many, really, honestly. And there's a distinct feeling, when you've cut yourself. And there's always that little delay. There's like a little 10-second delay when the incision is made and the blood shows up, and you're like, I know it's coming. Hopefully, just throwing some alcohol splash over this will kind of disinfect anything and also just kind of seal it up. Oh yeah. Oh, rub it in. Ah! Now, lavender, so kind of I would describe as a bright scent. You think about scents, I don't know. I'm not saying I can see colors and hear, hear shapes, whatever the phrase is, right? But I don't know, when I think of lavender, I think bright, or like citrus is bright, and I think like, let's say like sandalwood is like kind of dull, muted. And see, aren't you glad you experienced this with me? That you also, next time you are considering using a single edge razor, you're gonna say, hey Matt, tuck those corners in, make sure the corners are covered. Yeah, because otherwise that edge of that really sharp 90-degree corner is literally just sitting there like a shark in the water, waiting to attack. That's all I got for today's shave. I enjoyed the lavender. I definitely am enjoying the added menthol. I did feel a slight cooling sensation, and the rosemary also gives it just a little extra note there. It's pleasant. It's definitely kind of a summery kind of smell. It smells great. I'm sure my wife would like it. I did like the Micromatic once I kind of got the hang of it. Maybe I'll have to do another one of a different kind. In fact, if you want to recommend another single edge style razor that I should try, tell me below in the comments. Plus, I could try the Pow Blade next. Tell me in the comments, and if you do leave a comment, you're entered to win one of these, the Razor Emporium Black and Blue t-shirt. That's all I got for today's shave. Wrapping it up, feeling good, looking decent. And we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.